Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to continue the second lesson of Introduction to Computers, Standard 6th, lesson number 2, Windows, Files and Folders. And today's topic is rename a file or folder. Now my dear students, we will rename outdoor games subfolder as field games. So click on Start button on the taskbar. You will see the Start menu. On the right pane of the Start menu, click on Documents. You will see the Documents Library window. Now in this window, click on Sports folder to see the Sport window. In the Sports window, right click on Outdoor Games subfolder. You will see a shortcut menu. Now click on this menu. Click on Rename. The name of the selected folder is highlighted in a box. Type in the new name, Field Games, and press the Enter key. The folders in the file list are automatically arranged in the alphabetical order. So the new folder Field Games appears first in the list. If you want to again rename the folder as Outdoor Games, click on Edit on the menu bar. You will see a drop-down menu. On the Edit menu, click on Undo Rename. The name of the folder again changes to Outdoor Games and it appears where it was, second in the list. In this way, you can also rename a file. Now, click on Close to close the window. Delete a file or folder. Dear students, we will delete badminton file from Indoor Games subfolder. Click on Start button on the taskbar. You will see the Start menu. On the right pane of the Start menu, click on Documents. You will see the Documents Library window. In this window, click on Sports folder to see the Sports window. In the Sports window, click on Indoor Games subfolder to open its window. In File list, right click on Badminton file. You will see a shortcut menu. On this menu, click on Delete. You will see a dialog box. Click on the Yes button. The file will be deleted from Indoor Games subfolder and sent to the recycle bin. Now you can see only two files, chess and carom in the folder. Recycle bin. Dear students, it is Windows dustbin. Any file or folder that you delete is sent to the recycle bin. A deleted file or folder is stored in that recycle bin. It is not permanently deleted from the computer. This means that you can restore the deleted file or folder from the recycle bin. But if you deleted a file or folder from the recycle bin, it will be permanently deleted from the computer. You cannot recover or restore it. So my dear students, in this video we have learned about how to rename or how to delete the folder from Windows.